This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Patricia Ramsby. Great floor plan. Great family home. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms and over 2,200 square feet. As you enter the home, you are welcomed into the formal living room and dining room. The large family room, kitchen and dinette are to the rear of the home, giving ton of privacy and access to the screened-in porch overlooking the greenbelt area. The kitchen offers new granite countertops, new sink, new faucet and new light fixtures. The master bedroom and bath are both spacious and located on the first floor. The master bathroom has new double sinks, granite countertop, new faucets, new toilet and a large walk-in closet. Laundry will be a breeze in the downstairs laundry room. Spare bedrooms are upstairs and roomy. The upstairs hall bath has new granite, new laminate floor, new faucet and new toilet, as well. Roof is newer, exterior paint is newer, exterior lighting is new. With the popular A Seminole County schools so close and the major Central Florida attractions just a short drive away, you will enjoy this location. Close to shopping, restaurants, churches and parks. You will feel right at home in this lovely neighborhood. For more information, review the details below.